It's a bad man thing, I hear. Oh Lord of His mercy. Hey, He's bad.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So on to the episode of Affordable Fridays, we're gonna be doing a oldie but a goodie. Hopefully it's a goodie. We'll see. So this is a way back to like the Sensational Empress lace wig. And you know this is a olden time wig. Do you see that part? Do you see that part? Like, thank God, wigs have come a long way, because in 2020 they ain't gonna fly. That is not gonna fly. And this is what the back looks like. It shows you the different way you can shift the hair to, like, from center part to left and right. And this is in the color 1, and it's a multi-parting option, and it is heat safe up to 350 to 400 degrees. And this is the unit we're gonna be unboxing. Like, the lace is there, and as you can see, it comes with your standard cap construction. 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, and your adjustable straps. I don't know why I had a brain fart, but I need to go get my scissors. Okay, so this unit that I'm wearing, just in case you're curious, if it's not up by now, the review is coming up. But if it's already uploaded, I will put it somewhere up. You see the little icon thing, you can check it out. But I love this color, it looks good on me. So I got my good old scissors. I'm gonna cut the lace from, oh, what's the style? Okay, so the style is Perm Romance. Perm Romance. We'll see how it is, because I know that parting space is definitely gonna need some work. Lace this off. This is coming up. Okay, so she's already shedding. I might have cut, I didn't cut the lace too close. So this unit, oh, that lace is hard. It is hard. When I tell you it's hard, it is hard. But you're gonna have to put some work into this if you want it to look good. That's for sure. Cause where we going? What is this? What is this? And like, I didn't even put on the adjustable straps, and it is tight. So this is not big hair friendly. Definitely not. But I love the won't be. I love it. It is nice. And stay tuned. I'm gonna have to pluck some hair to make a parting, because Whatever this is, this ain't no part. Yeah, so this is the best this is gonna get. Like, as you can see, the list is messed up. It's a no-go. So I wouldn't recommend him plucking this hair, or if you're plucking it, don't do it while the unit is still on your head. Just no. Because I don't know if you can see that. There's like a big old, there's a hole right there. Yeah, so perm romance. Ain't no romance going on with this one, okay? What am I even looking for? Okay. I'm just gonna take my Maybelline Fit Me 3 in the color 360 and just put it on there. Okay, so I think this is the best this unit is gonna look. Ace, come here. Who are you barking at? Come here, boy. Sit. Good boy. But yeah, so I looked, like, I try to find like the price on this unit. You're gonna have to like look around, because on Ebony line they're out of stock. Most of the online beauty stuff don't have it, because I'm guessing this is a really old unit. So, but I found it on Miss Barnes for like $24.79. So this is, it's just, I ain't mad at this. I love the way it is, you know, even though it's tangling. Mm, it is tangling, and it comes all the way down. Yeah. Uh, this one. Okay. This is all the unit in the back, all of it at the back. Yep. Like, yeah, I am not mad at it at all. I wish I didn't mess up the lace. Maybe I should just put some powder and cut it a day, but I'm gonna cut it. 1 second. Yeah, so I'm back. I don't like all the extra, all of that. No, that's gonna go. Okay, so I like it like this now. I think this is better. So this is not bad. I like it. I just wish I didn't mess up the lace. Maybe I should just put powder and just cut it a day and start plucking, but it is what it is. So this is it for this video. If you have reached this far, that means you like what you see. So hit that subscribe button and join the family. Okay, and turn on your post notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload. Okay, you don't want to be left behind. Alright guys, so since you reached this far again, comment down below hashtag Otis hashtag Otis to let me know that you watched the full video. So I will see you in the next one. Okay, bye.
It's a bad man.